Hello friends, today I am dealing with the topic antigen. So in this session we will discuss about the antigens. Before starting the session, we should know about what is antigens. Further we will discuss its function and its structure. So what is antigens? Basically, antigen is any foreign molecule that interact with cells of immune system and has elicit an immune response is called antigen, or we can say that antigen is a substance that is capable of stimulating an immune response, specifically activating lymphocytes, which are the body's infection fighting blue cells or white blood cells. In general, the antigens may be foreign or self antigens. So here is a diagrammatic representation of the antigen and antibody binding sites. So this is a replication fork, means a diagram of antibody which consists of two chains, light chain and heavy chain. Light chain because it is shorter in length, and it's called heavy chain because it's longer in length. This is the antigen binding site. This is antibody specifically binding site. So this is a diagrammatic representation of a antigen. Could be protein or anything else, but the antibodies are always protein in nature. Basically, the major classification of the antigens are the foreign antigens and the autoantigens. The foreign antigens are called heteroantigens and the autoantigens are also called self-antigens. So, foreign antigens that are antigens that are originate from outside the body includes parts of substance produced by the virus or microbes, it's not genome, and certain proteins in fruits, components of serum, red blood cells from other individuals that become foreign antigens. Now, autoantigens, or we can say that self-antigens, originated within the body. Normally, the body is able to distinguish self from non-self material, but in person with autoimmune disorder, normally body substance provoke an immune response, leading to generation of autoantibodies. So that are called self-antigens. So here is another classification of the types of antigen that are T-dependent antigens, T-independent antigens, super antigens, neoantigen, viral antigen, tumor antigen, and immunodominant antigen. To T-dependent antigens, the antigen that needs two T cells to stimulate an immune response are called T-dependent antigen. Means they are dependent on the T cells. T-independent antigens as this that they are not dependent on the T cells. The cells or the antigens that do not need T cells to stimulate an immune response are called T-independent antigens. Here is the super antigens. Super antigens, the antigens that cause non-specific activation of T cells are called super antigens. Here is the neoantigens that are entirely absent from the normal human genome is called neoantigens. Here is a viral antigens, the antigens that can stimulate an immune response in the cervical cancer or any other types of cancer or virus is called viral cancer. Or tumor antigens that stimulates an immune response from the tumor cells or the secretion of a tumors. Immunodominant antigens, the antigens that cause non-specific activation of T cells is called immunodominant antigens. So it's all about the types of antigens. Antigens are the substance that stimulate an immune response and does antigen and antibody reactions in the body in response to an immune system. So this is all about the antigens. If you like this, like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my video.